I did get some questions about these pickups. Well, you all see them, how I made them, and well, actually they're made of junk. So a bit of plastic here and a bit of wire from old coil there, and well, some glue, some paint, some old mesh wire, and that's it. I made humbuckers of them, and well, this is how they sound. I can show you what these switches do. Out of phase, in phase, and humbucker, and single coil. Someone asked me if I could make a video of how I made these pickups, and I think I'm gonna do that. It has a nice sound. Well, my next build will be the other choice I had in the question I had about what should I build. There was this Rickenbacker bass, and there was an acoustic guitar with an arm bevel.